Alright, yo. Welcome to the channel. We back. We're gonna go over a few key things here in this video. We're gonna mainly go over market structure, trends, bullish trends, bearish trends, and what that looks like and how to help you identify those. So basically, market structure is gonna refer to the sequence or the way price is moving and a pattern that they're gonna form over time. So you'll be able to easily identify that on the daily, the higher time frames, the 4 hour. Then you got your intraday, your 1 hours, your 30s, and then your 15s, of course. So you'll be able any time frame you go on, you'll be able to see those trends. And the reason why it's important to know what the market structure is, it's going to help you kind of sort through a bias. It's going to help you from trading against the trend and kind of just form that trade more into a probability and kind of help it do without the losses. Well, I mean, you're still going to lose trades, but it's going to help your probability and just name it as a confluence, I guess. So it's going to help with your entries and your exits. And like I said, you always want to know which way the market is trending. So we're going to get into it now. So first up, let's go ahead and draw some lines right here. This is going to be resistance. And here we're going to have support. So let me add some text. This is going to be resistance. Resistance. Let's put that in the middle, right in the center. Resistance. That bigger so y'all can see that resistance. And then here we have support. So, where'd it go? Here. Put that in the center. Yeah, that looks good right there. Oh, I'm gonna make the text bigger. Sorry, y'all. 22. But you can also call it you got your floor right here, and then you got your roof. We're gonna lock that in right there. So for example, the market's gonna display these types of patterns right here. You'll see them every day. Like I said, overdue. When you have enough chart time, they'll be easy to recognize. The first one, we're gonna go with an uptrend, bullish trend. It's gonna look something like this. I have hold on, let me finish drawing it. Pull back, come back, retest. Create a higher high. Alright, so now I want to show y'all something. And let's change that to green. So this right here is going to be our bullish slash upwards, whatever you want to call it. Okay, like I was saying, we're gonna have our bullish trends right here, uptrends basically. That's what I didn't mean upwards, I meant uptrends. Sorry, y'all. Uptrends. Make that bigger for y'all to see. And we labeled that in green. And our characteristics we're gonna want to look for gonna be these key areas right here. Gonna have, where's my arrow tool? Higher highs. How do I keep just doing the tool? Okay. Higher lows. Higher highs. Where's the tool at? Higher lows. Then we have a low right here. This area right here would be considered internal structure. So we just consider that a low. And then we have a higher high. Higher low, and then we have a higher high. Now downtrend is gonna be basically the same damn thing. Low, higher high, higher low, that, and then we have a higher high, higher low here. Have another higher high. That right there. And higher low. And then what do we have here, y'all? Yep, another higher high. And price reach, ideally resistance. I mean, we could expect it to pull back down into this structure point to create that higher low. Then it would look something like this. Let's see. They'll let me do that. Boom, to create that next higher high, so on, so forth. Now, as uptrends, downtrends, like I said, it's going to be kind of the same way. Let me see how it lets me change my color here. We're going to have it come down from here. Boom, 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 boom. I'm not trying to make it look perfect because it's rarely ever that clear. Alright, and then we're going to change that to red. Alright, cool. So now with this one, if you notice how uptrends had our higher highs and higher lows, now a downtrend's going to have lower highs. We got to move this thing closer. There we go. Lower lows. Oh shit, wrong one. Sorry, y'all. There we go. Where was I at? Oh, boom. Highs. Lower lows. Lower high. Lower low. I'm gonna put these as, just like I said, lower high. That lower high. Got another. Why won't it let me move it? Lower high, and then on this side, on the bottom ends, you're gonna see the lower lows. And that's gonna just look like pivots, impulses, reactions, and basically structure. Oh, whoops. C, Control V, the next lower low, and so on and so forth. So hopefully you're able to visually get that picture of that. There we go. So here on the green, we have our bullish upside uptrends, and then in the red, we're gonna have these are our bearish conditions. Bearish. You can call that downside, downtrend. So ideally, this, when you have in a bearish market, you're going to be wanting to go short or sell. And on a bullish, you want to go buys or go long. And then here's another one that some traders also get caught up in as well. We're gonna call this, let me just copy and paste this one. Copy, put us up there, V, get another resistance, and then let me get another support. Control C and Control V. Okay, so let me move these out the way. And up here, let me show y'all something. We have things that can just look like this. Now, what do y'all notice? So this conditions right here, I'm gonna call this consolidation. Hopefully I spelled that right. If not, don't judge me. Consolidation. You can also call it ranging. Where's my text tool? Arranging. I cannot spell. I'm just trying to hurry up and put this on there so I can get my point across. Alright, so boom, as you see in here, we got the price just in a box realistically. It's not doing nothing. It's just stuck in this area, hitting floor to roof, roof to floor. And so those conditions get a little hard to trade, but like once you understand them a little more, you realistically have trades in these conditions as well, whether it be from, where's my path tool? Whether it be from taking it from resistance to support or support to resistance. But it gets tricky because you don't know when the price is gonna break to the downside or even break to the upside. So that's the thing about those conditions right there. Now, let me move all this out the way and let me show y'all some examples of these market conditions. First thing I see right here, far out. Alright, cool. Good example right here. What do you guys see? Alright, ignore that price action right there. What do you guys see right here? Right here where this arrow's pointing. Okay, I'm gonna guess y'all said a downtrend. Right? Right here we got a downtrend. Or bearish market condition. Right here. And now let me break it down. So as you can see, when we went over, we're gonna have lower highs and lower lows. Let me grab my path tool real quick. Let me see, is this a good color? No, I don't like that color. Let me make it something more easy for y'all to see. Green, no. Let's do blue. Blue seems like a decent color. And let's make the thickness. So you can, thicker, there we go. So as y'all can see right here, realistically we got boom, comes down, makes a low, boom, makes the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Y'all see that in there? Let me just circle in them. You got boom, one right there, high, lower low, lower high, low, high, low. So that's going to be our bearish trend. And let me see. This would be a good example right here. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay. So right here, the same thing. We're going to have our higher high, low, higher high, low, higher high, low, and hold on, let me see where that's going. Should have zoomed out on my screen a little bit. Oh, stop. Alright, y'all ignore that, but let me see if I can fix it. No, I can't. Okay, y'all get the point though. So here we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, low, higher high, higher low, and where I butchered this at the top, it's going to be a higher high. So you can look to take trades between all this market structure right here. So what it's going to break down to is it kind of retests previous market structures. As you can see, we got it right here. So boom, we made this high, made our low, came up, retested, boom, made the next one, boom, made the next one. So it's always testing previous market structure. Not always, but that's a good indication right there. Alright, now tell me, do y'all see what I see right here in this area? Now this one is what we're going to call a consolidation. Let me show y'all why. As you can see, price is just stuck in this box right here. All that box is consolidation, so you want to think about it as you got your floor right there, and then I don't like that tool for showing that. Okay, let me find the little marker. Where's the little marker tool? Where is the marker? There we go. So you got your floor right here, and then you got your ceiling. I mean resistance. Sorry about that. And what are we doing? We're basically going from here to jump to the roof, to here to jump back up to the roof. Now what I said gets tricky in those ranging markets is that you don't know when it's going to end. So basically you could have been catching this to go down, and then catching it back up to catch it back down, to catch back up. But then you think, okay, it bounced off, let me take it back down, and you have your stop somewhere, I don't know, like let's say right here. Well, price just completely breaks out of it with these candles right here. So I mean, that comes down to trade management and just risk management as well, and knowing where you're at in the markets. So yeah, that's gonna do it for that right there. Okay, and like I said, you're gonna have trends no matter what time frame you're looking at. You're gonna have trends within trends. So for example, these daily candlesticks right here, each one is gonna represent one candlestick is a day. But as you can see, looks like we're going boom to boom to boom to boom to boom, like we're in a clear downtrend. Then we took out these highs up here, broke structure. That's maybe what you thought it was. But then you can go to the weekly, and where's my little shit at? And you're thinking like, all right, where am I at? Just bump it up a time frame. Like I said, you're gonna have trends within trends. So that was the daily I just showed y'all. Let me go back to it. I'm gonna have trends on the 4 hours. Where was I just at on the damn thing? Gonna have those trends within side of trends. See that? And there's opportunity all through there. You just gotta know where you're at, and that's gonna come down to your key levels and your time frame correlations, which if that's a video y'all want to see next, I'm willing to get into that one. I'm trying to find where I was at on this zigzag. I don't know where I was, but I lost myself. But either way, you're gonna have trends on every time frames. Look right here, consolidation, boom, then broke out. So higher high, higher low, high low, high low, and that's where we're currently at right now. Got some consolidation right here. Really all through like right there, and then what we do, we start making movements all through there. Boom, come, trend. But it gets easier to spot it. Like I said, you just gonna have to put in the work. and then your eyes will just get used to seeing this. I think next video I'm gonna go over kind of how I mark up my charts and possibly time frame correlation, or I might separate that into two videos so I don't get confused. But yeah, that was it. I just basically wanted to go over market structure, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Like I said, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all want to see in the next videos. I also just started up my new Discord, so I'm building that up. The link to that will be in the description below. Like I said, I appreciate y'all, man, and we'll get see y'all in the next video. All right, we out.